Friday, January 19, 2024. Focus. He went up to the mountain and called to him those whom he desired, and they came to him. Jesus called certain men to him for two purposes. First, simply to be with him, and second, to be his apostles. By being with him, they would learn and be able to share his teaching with others and so draw them to him. Given that we are all called to be witnesses, we are too invited to be with Jesus and learn from him. What does being with Jesus entail? It means spending time in daily prayer, reading and reflecting on the Word of God, being part of Christian community where we meet like-minded persons who will support us on our journey. Jesus was always concerned about others, healing them, feeding them, teaching them. Witnessing to the gospel means going out to others as he did. It means not judging them. It requires forgiving them if they have harmed us. David is a good example. It would be argued that God has delivered Saul to him in the cave, but David refused to kill Saul. Witnessing to Christ means that we teach by the example at our place of work. Whether an office, shop floor, kitchen or classroom, people should be able to recognize us as a Christian by our love. Fruits. As a willing disciple of Jesus, I will, as Saint Teresa of Calcutta suggests, do small things with great love.